Guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna get my car, my new truck, louder, man. Now I haven't posted no videos about it, no nothing on social media yet. So I'm gonna show you right here. This is my new truck, the Chevy Equinox Sport version. It's not the original, the base. Just like my Pontiac, that was the base version of it. This is the Sport version, as you guys can see right there. So we're gonna go ahead and make it louder. By that I mean we're gonna be removing the resonator, and we're gonna be installing a Y pipe. This is it right here. It's a small Y pipe, small piping. So I think it's a 1 3/4, really small. But we're gonna be replacing that. And I'm gonna show you a before right now, and then I'm gonna have my friend Daniel do a little pull right here, just so you guys can hear the exhaust. You wanna turn it on? I think it has a key in there. So this is the before. You wanna rev it up?
Yep.
So that's the before. That's the before. You want to do a little pull?
Yep.
So he's gonna do a little pull just right here, all the way to the circle. But that's the stock, and it don't sound that bad. I did install new rotors as well, right there. You know I gotta go with that 3-on slot. Ooh, did you guys hear that? So it don't sound too loud, but it don't sound that bad either. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that resonator, and then we're gonna do an after. I don't know if you guys can be able to hear that on camera, but in person, you can hear it roar, man. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Guys, they already did the job. That was fast. They already cut everything. So this is what I'm talking about. All ass piping right here. Goes into one. So we're gonna hear how it sounds after. Man, that wipe up is really small. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it's not. But it's way cheaper. Bro, tell them how much it is.
Bro, $70. That's the cheapest you can get over here.
Compared to the last quiz, they were quoting me at 180. Do not. I stated, do not go to the last quiz. But man, I just hope it don't sound like a riser.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping with. It's like your resonator.
God, this is the old resonator right here. This big fat ass thing.
I'd say just kick it in the field like a soccer ball.
Right. So we got rid of this. Out with the old, in with the new. They already got everything. They just need to weld it and good to go. Guys, they're gonna turn it on right now. Damn, I'm scared. Guys, if it sounds like a Honda, this is like the video. And if it don't, make sure you guys like and subscribe. 500 subs on the way. Almost done. He's up there. It don't sound that bad. It don't sound that bad.
Got it, guys.
Damn. Damn. Backfires. Guys, I just want to give a huge shout out to Central Mufflers Auto Repair in Joliet. I believe this is Route 53. So come check them out. Great price, 70 bucks compared to Velasquez next door over there for 180. Motherfuckers try to fucking rip me off, man. But Central Mufflers, come check them out. Hey, bro, turn it on. Ooh! Rub it up, bro. Rub it up. Oh! Oh! That sounds fucking good, bro.
Backfire though.
Hell yeah.
What do you think?
Bro, this sounds good.
Dude, I'll be honest with you, way better than it was before.
You know what I'm gonna try to do now?
What's
I'm
up?
gonna try to remove those tips. So I can give it like a little bit more of a different noise.
Bro.
Different tone, you know?
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna try to do that. Man, it sounds good though.
Get those dual tip.
Yeah,
That'll
dual
look-
tips.
Yeah.
And then right now we're gonna do I'm gonna let my friend Daniel right here do a little pull, so that way you guys can hear it, how it sounds driving it, you know? Because that was, right there, it was just a rev. So we're gonna do a small pull, a couple pulls, just so you guys can hear how it sounds. And so I know how it sounds. But it backfires. So that's a good thing. But it's only gonna backfire when you're stopped, when you're parked, you know? It's not gonna backfire when I'm driving or anything. But if you guys like how it sounds, drop a like, subscribe. Man, you can hear it.
Dude, rev it, go. Oh yeah.
I don't think they can hear it on camera, but on person you can.
Yeah.
But like I said, if you guys like the video, subscribe, like the video. If you guys don't like the video, if you guys don't like how it sounds, just leave a like there. I like it, but like I said, if you guys like it, you know what you guys gotta do. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Right now we're gonna find a spot. This is pool. Start it up. It don't sound that bad. Damn. It don't sound that bad, but I feel like it's missing something to make it a little bit deeper. But he's gonna do a little pull right here. That was a small baby pool. But either way, let's see if he does a hard one. Because I want him to do a hard one. It don't sound that bad. Oh shit, that actually popped. Oh man, I just feel like it needs fucking different tips so for the sound to be different. Damn, it does not sound that bad at all. Damn. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know. Like I said, I might be changing the tips just to see if it makes like a difference, sound difference. And then I'm gonna be adding a K&N air filter, just the filter, no cold air, nothing like that, because they don't make it from these trucks. But I might be doing those two things just to hear if they make a sound difference. You guys let me know what you guys think. Leave in the comments below, sounds good or not. 3.6 like I said. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully it's about my Lexus. I still have no news about it. Damn bro, lower it, lower it. Calm down bro, got no gas.
How's that?
It sounds good bro, really good. Alright man, this is gonna be the end of the video. Say hi, say bye bro.
See you guys.
And I'll see you guys in the next video.